The Ameta S20 Pro Drone is equipped with a high-quality Sony IMX258 sensor and a 90-degree adjustable lens, capturing stunning 4K photos and videos with exceptional clarity. With two high-capacity batteries, this drone allows for up to 50 minutes of flight time, ensuring you can enjoy extended aerial adventures without frequent recharges. The advanced GPS positioning system provides reliable control and safety features, such as smart return-to-home functions, making it easy to focus on capturing the perfect shot. Designed for all skill levels, the Ameta S20 Pro offers intuitive controls including one-button takeoff and landing, as well as multiple speed settings for a customizable flight experience. This drone boasts creative shooting modes like rocket and orbit, allowing both hobbyists and aspiring photographers to capture cinematic shots effortlessly. Weighing under 249 grams, the S20 Pro is compact and registration-free, making it an ideal gift for photography enthusiasts and travelers.